Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to do icing on a 1 kg vanilla cake. Now first let's put a wet tissue paper as usual. Now let's put one base on top it, cake base, and then we are gonna take a cake sponge. Then we are gonna put sugar syrup on top of it. Don't put too much or it will be destroyed inside. The cake sponge is 6 inch and the cake base is 8 inch. Now let's put some cream and then we are gonna repeat it one more time and then that's it. Like this icing tutorial, there are 100 plus more in my mother's channel, so you can check it out. Now the last crumb coating is finished. Now we are gonna put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours so that it is perfectly set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.